That's not gonna work. You got him? You need to get underneath him.
I'm trying, but he's a tiny little bird.
For your viewing audience, Rebecca Pruner is about to kill a baby bird. Oh, wait. This is how she handles her own children. You want me to move these branches?
No. Okay. Come here, baby.
Ew, careful.
Oh.
I think we need to rethink that way. Okay.
Okay.
Careful.
Okay.
You have to go up the stairs, Rebecca.
No.
Good thing you're tall. Wait, open the leaf. Oh, he's still alive.
Oh.
He's going back to the nest. You can throw him in there with the leaf, maybe.
I need a chair.
Yeah. Here, Wait, where's that chair you're sitting on, Nick? And be careful, remember there's slats underneath that cushion. Yeah. So your foot doesn't go through.
No, then take the cushion off.
Can she do it? Amazing. The nest has been settled in this dryer vent. You can do it. Get the whole leaf in there. The mama bird will take care of it once it's in there.
Oh.
Come on.
He's like near the edge.
Get him in.
I'm trying, but he keeps...
Yeah, he's a little klutz head guy. That's why he fell out in the first place.
Oh, come on, bird.
Maybe the mother pushed him out. I think something my mother would do.
Oh.
Riveting.
Oh.
Come on, you can get him.
Right near the edge.
Come on, get him.
Come on, bird.
Is he in?
No, he's like right on the edge.
Can't see.
After what? Is that him?
Oh, yeah, that's him. I need another leaf.
What's wrong with that leaf?
Well, I've been touching it. I don't wanna...
That's where he was.
You don't want to ruin the leaf? That's why he fell out, though.
That's where I saw him.
I know, but that's where I fell out. He's all...
Might not be a lot of room back there.
Yeah, you might be pushing him into something.
Exactly.
Oh.
I pushed him in the nest.
Uh-oh.
Maybe like out of the nest on the other side?
Yeah.
No.
Pushed him into the stove?
Yeah, right.
I don't hear any squeaking anymore.
He's on the burner.
Oh.
No. Oh, no, he's still right there. Oh my God.
Well, maybe that's where the nest is.
No.
Wait, Nick, maybe you can get a better look. You're a little taller.
That's the ledge. No, that's the... Not by much. That's the ledge.
Everyone, for our home audience, Rebecca just killed that baby bird.
Oh, no, he didn't. He's there.
All right, well,
He's resting. No, he's resting.
Let's go.
Is he?
Let's sit back ways. Maybe the mother will come in. And...
What do you think his chances are?
I don't want him to fall out again.
Well, can you see where the heart of the nest is?
I think it's over the lip of this,
I don't hear any squeaking anymore.
He's there. I see him.
Is he okay? Is he alive?
Yeah.
Okay.
See?
Maybe we should just leave him.
But he's right on the edge. That's what happened when we fell out last time.
Fucking bird.
He's not. I'm sure Darwin wouldn't be very happy with me right now. But... Oh, alright. He looks exhausted.
Job well done.
Thank you. Okay. My hands are all dirty now.
Yeah, definitely wash those up.
Yeah. Okay,
Nick, think you should take a look?
Hmm?
You're kind, you're a couple inches taller. Maybe get a better view.
I think we should stay away so the mother bird will come back.
I'm just glad we got your boxers in the video.
Yeah, this is my uniform.
I'm glad those are the ones I picked up.